Welcome to Omiš, a place where mountains meet the sea and legends come to life. Nestled at the mouth of the Cetina River, between Split and Makarska, this small Dalmatian town is one of Croatia's most captivating destinations. Dramatic cliffs tower over turquoise waters, medieval fortresses overlook sandy beaches, and the sounds of nature blend with the rhythm of adventure. Omiš is now also more accessible than ever, thanks to the newly completed bridge, a long-awaited infrastructure project easing traffic and connecting the town more smoothly with the region. In medieval times, Omiš was feared across the Adriatic, not because of its size, but because of its power. From the 12th to 14th centuries, it was home to the Omiš pirates, skilled seafarers who controlled key trade routes and demanded tribute from passing ships. Protected by the natural geography and their own fortress defenses, they built a small but mighty maritime republic. Today, the spirit of that past lives on in the narrow streets and stone walls of the old town. Walking through Omiš Old Town is like stepping back in time. Stone alleys wind through centuries-old houses, opening up into lively squares filled with local restaurants. One of the most prominent landmarks is the Church of St. Michael, built in the 17th century and standing at the heart of the old town. Its Baroque bell tower rises above the rooftops, a symbol of faith and resilience. Looking up from the town, you'll see the medieval Mirabela Fortress perched above the rooftops. Built in the 13th century, it served as a lookout point for the pirates, giving them clear views of the channel and early warnings of enemy ships. A short hike with lots of stairs rewards you with panoramic views of Omiš and the surrounding coastline. If you're up for a steeper challenge, continue your climb to Fortica, the Starigrad Fortress. Be aware that depending on the path you choose, the hike can take from 45 minutes to few hours. Bring comfortable shoes, plenty of water, and a camera to take pictures of jaw-dropping views of Adriatic Islands and the Cetina Canyon. It's a perfect spot to watch over the entire coast. Just steps from the center, Omiš boasts something rare on the Dalmatian coast, a long, sandy beach. The town beach is family-friendly, shallow, and ideal for swimming, sunbathing, or beach volleyball. Thanks to the nearby river, the sea here is often slightly cooler and incredibly refreshing, even during hot summer months. With cafes and snack bars nearby, it's a favorite for both locals and visitors. A 20-minute walk east from the center, along a scenic coastal path, brings you to Brzet Beach. Surrounded by recently grown pine trees and backed by the hills, it's a pebbly beach with crystal clear turquoise waters and fewer crowds. It's a peaceful alternative for those looking for a bit more space and shade. There are also a few small restaurants and beach bars, making it great for a relaxing day trip. If you are a fan of snorkeling, the water is crystal clear and is rich with different fish. But Omiš isn't just about relaxing. It's also one of Croatia's top adventure hubs. For thrill seekers, the Omiš Zipline is an unforgettable experience. It stretches 2 kilometers across the canyon, with some lines reaching speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. If you prefer water to air, take a boat trip up the Cetina River. One of the most popular routes takes you to Radmanove Mlinice, a traditional estate with watermills, a restaurant, and shaded walking trails under ancient trees. For something more active, try rafting or kayaking down the Cetina, a perfect blend of rapids and calm stretches, suitable for beginners and even entire families. There are also hiking trails, rock climbing routes, and canyoning tours for the truly adventurous. Finally, if you decided to spend your entire day in Omiš, do not forget to enjoy a beautiful sunset. Omiš is more than just a hidden gem. It's a town where history, nature, and adventure collide. So next time you're in Dalmatia, don't just pass by, stop in Omiš and discover one of Croatia's most unforgettable places. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next beautiful destination. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.